Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. It's a greetings from me to you all. Yes, now your sister, your friend, your girl. I don't come again, my people. If that TV, you are welcome back to me channel. Yes, this one why I bring table so my people now all of us now go talk for this matter. Now about Lolo and her best friend, or rather his best friend. Now I bring come, which is Monica Lobo. Their matter don't arrive again, reach our table. Now I say make I still bring her come for now. Wetin dey there be say the hot topic wey come out so na about the first one also. This one na the latest and na number 2, which is part 2. E don happen again, my people. I no understand how married women go take dey expose theirself like this for social media. This one no be disgrace. Anyway, make una watch this video, but don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Thank you and enjoy this video.
Eno deni ga age we no deni bi wa ka bo wo mi ma mo boy ti wa ge we for no de beti bere o we odo mi awe imagine una ve na me ma edu we agare mu na se mana ti na oni bi voice note ku odo mi awe fa my sister ye fi pe wa I chesi ma ave ni a o ga ve ti comment I chesi e ma e shalo no gba mo la ja ve ge no ma wi ya ri ke me wa ya ri koro Ichesi o matano eme ijapo o manokbilo ma wana isageni orobo ne iya mweme we ilolo sha ime sha yu ika ya kamudia ni yeme mene unu ya ikedo temi nike ebe me go we ilolo me ma be we ichesi be de be ebe ichesi o se ya hi ebe ga kespero we ichesi o stage ilolo na wa wo seva he no wonder no mana kwa yo vegeni
Elolo na wa bia we ben why all of una just do Mr. Laribe like this? If man not get penis na so it be ben you go come all the way from Spain. I fit talk am. I say wetin this boy they can't do for Holland, and if he come, he go come go Sita village. He say na happening boy na this name. I say then wetin he come they do for Sita? If they come, Papa Papa ya Papua. Hey, Mr. Laribe, Ben, they shop your wild plan again. And Chelsea no. When Ben go, Chelsea go they do. Hey, Jesus Christ. I go translate some. Una not the person where they talk so. You know, say, ex-girlfriend. Person where Chelsea don't fair follow. You know, say, if you they follow person now, the person go fit tell you truth of another person. You see am? You see am? I follow the man. The man can't tell me say na someone can follow his friend or he follow this. Chelsea get friend. Chelsea can't tell the woman can't they say wetin Ben they can't do because person wey no get pikin for country, he no get any go just come village go come lodge for some time. Nenemi. Then the woman can also say wetin Ben they mostly can't do. He can't say Ben na anu boyfriend. And if Ben come, Chuku, no wonder Chuku na here. McDonald's. If Ben come, Uncle Ben, I want to eat McDonald's. Uncle Ben, I want to eat chicken nuggets. Hey, una jiwe ya hiyo when have boyfriend yanumu. And this Ben, if he reach their house, he go they call a new husband. Go they call Lolo husband. Papa. Ha! Go and chop something in your cassava. How? No, me no work me and Emma. Ben now where? When matter me mega ben where but he not tie. I talk I say this be all you need more. Away, yakbo no mama. Oh my God, yakbo ni what like he say. How? Jesus. Dixie for Amsterdam, so if they call on Yakpo. Ewe be o ma gwena ewe. Abo if Yakpo ni eva we je. Abi ya no buelo. If Ben they talk around which party we go, we can't see Ben for there. The way we Ben they drag and go corner. He still come and say, I don't like Ben. The reason why I don't like Ben, and Ben also say, Monica, me too, I don't like you. But Monica, what I do when you don't like me? I say, I don't like the way you take they talk to women with their husband. You they talk like say person. Women want marry. I don't like it, especially all these small boys. You don't talk to me like that. You got they talk like you understand. I don't know. Say now, no now one no on your see no not go marry you. Monica, what is that they call? You know they call and Lolo go say you so what is that they call you? He not say na we boy na. Wanna go a boy very hard. The boy jealous. Now that boy, maybe that one where this girl, that audio where I play that day, where that girl talk say when he come visit her, 3 men I call her. One particular one come say show where you did. Show me where you did. Show me where you did. Now Ben can't drag am. I don't forget which party we foresee Ben. He drag a corner. I can't sit down and they look. When he come back, say, I don't like this boy. I don't like him. Hey, why he drag you like that? Oh, drag you when they not make it. Hey, la wo. Let's not get something. I take drag. He know they see him like that because Ben they give him money. Ben they give him money. If he even they look for money, go say I want to Ben. I want to Ben. Ben, how? Mr. Larry Bay. Obi this one. I thought you were both best friends. You want me I block you come on for you? Do you want me to block you out of fear? All this nonsense, two-sided people. All the one where she they do since I was best enemy, right? I was not a best friend too. When she even they lie on me, see her own, now see her own. People when no one they talk and so. They can't tell me, let me delete this your comment. If you comment this type of thing, a guy will block you come on for a year. What rubbish. You not be by force say you must stay here to call. This is not the time to even say, I tell you we are friends. Friend, we go call assassin, made the kill me. Now you they call. I thought you were best friend. I be you die. You just coming from coma.
Eme when you are kuro, it just your matano. Eme ijapo, omano bilo, wana esa geni orobo ne. Iya mweme we elolo sha, ime sha yuika ya kabudani eme mene. Unu ya kedo temi nike. Ebe me go we. Ilolo me mave we echesi ve debe ebe we echesi o se yahi ebe ga kespero we echesi o stage ilolo na wa wo seva he no wata no mana gwa yo regeni he je me o le ri ebe ga eme unu me wa ebe we echesi matoge o seva bugwapa na wa o eme we bonasha. On every obieto, and I'm a obieto with no mind, a lolo yet, you white say I will be very on it. And my show, and you money after my sister, Chelsea.
Ona yera Chelsea where she got call make my enemy that day. Now Chelsea house, 9 bed they come from Spain, go the fuck Adam. Me will be best friend. He not tell me ben but I suspect him. I go so even yewa. E baby yewa. Di we no ya. Emma. Ben go say, Monica, your friend, you not like me. Monica, why you not like me? I say, I like you as a person, but I don't like you like way. Oh my brother, no. The way you tell the talk. I don't like the way you tell the talk. And you know the time where you think on social media you there for your one and they talk to them. And yeah, me too. I don't like the way you they talk. Now say you see, now the thing they talk so. you don't do the thing ina ko ri epo mi na we ipa me gwa le gbo ma be ri na oye ga na mi I'll go another one. If not be say that one, they fear. If they fear, I don't know why they fear. Because I say they carry all this man. That one I must sit down. Yeah, serious. If I say me, I talk where the person did now. Tonight, I go call all of them. If you wanna work in a shower, una say why you can't cover for her. I not cover for her in the normal like I know I just the item. You know, go let me just make broom. But I was getting ready separation. But no, we quarrel, we relocation. She they go far mainland, and they go far island. All my ticket do me. My me stop a party and go jo. Mona go look back 2 years then it reach so. One party, I don't go. No, the third year it goes so. I don't go. When I stop party, una say, Mani Cafe, I know they let you go. I stop her. I don't want go again. Because if I don't go party, I don't go so cloth for person wey use man shopping your money finish. Make me come the so cloth for her. I mean, I know if he so one, me I not so for her. Now so we say I know they go party again. Now since I be want to wio, I get guijo ye. Iwa ko wio. May you relocate in. Now you don't see who they go visit each other for UK. Person wey me know for year. Say na Eddie go come call me for UK. I'll say I dey work 24/7. Because of her, if you want to see me, more buy ticket, go holiday. If you cannot buy ticket to take children, stay your ass. Now, since me be wanted to do my with your man, surely I a friend. I won't come become money cannot buy something for me again. See, darkness, they talk rubbish for them. Let me play it again. This person that is talking is a friend, girlfriend to Chelsea. Chelsea can't tell the woman say, no be because the way it they play follow this Chelsea. Now this woman take suspect, which me know Chelsea they take. But Ben, because Ben they Spain. But any few time when be say I take that side when the Ben they around. Let me they say the way they play with you. Lolo husband, Mr. Laribe, is it true you don't really see all these things? You don't see. You didn't know Ben was eating your wife. Even me. She didn't tell me. You understand? She didn't tell me, oh. Hi, God. See, I'll repeat now. This audio, I go say that to all small live video, we still good. Make the see and say, not be makeup video. See,
Yeah, Lolo sha, my say you ya kaputani yemene. Unu ya kedo temi nike. Ebe me go we. Lolo me mave we Chelsea te be Chelsea o say ahi. Ebe ga kespero we Chelsea stage. Lolo na wa was eva. He no want no mana kwa yo regani. He jeve all the big guy me unu me wa ebe we Chelsea matoge. Chelsea matoge o seva bo wakpa. Na wow
Chelsea. I no go talk say Chelsea betray Lolo wey go tell his girlfriend say na Ben dey fuck Lolo. He no betray Chelsea. Una forget say all this picture of Chelsea na him bring her come. Chelsea dey laugh with her. mama. See Nigeria he dey screenshot am. Say Chelsea na killer. Na so they throw away Chelsea property for outside 3 times for this Netherlands. Say Chelsea na so person they stay with na one rubber bag they carry for this abroad for how many years for abroad. Rubber bag they throw away load up and down. No be responsible man. No be she talking. So if she can betray man where they give her room, because if Ben come from Spain. Now Chelsea place, if they go to the Vagara in the evening, go leave children for husband. Only God can know how they do that one. He not tell me Ben, or me young Ben. After all, me I don't feel they suspect Ben. That the way they do video, I say Ben go still do for it. I say that one where they Spain. the way he still take dey play Mr. Laribe check am but I come dey look for the name I say that one wey dey do for one night wey dey Spain I no come remember the name Bain na dem dey call am Bain and Chelsea dey be two best good friend Chelsea come still betray Bain dey follow Bain dey do for the Toto then Bain Anu husband na godfather hey Chineke this thing e dey their blood I first tell una yesterday say na among dem sisters na dem for see godfather sponsor somebody marriage and that godfather na him boyfriend no be say we don't stop they still dey friend but he tell am say if you see husband bring am come go sponsor am and he can't really sponsor the lady marriage after he married that man finish the man can't go abroad till today for 13 years the woman dey Africa the man no fit come carry the woman they still dey friend abeg mona tell me who get that Toto constantly who get am who get that Toto and the woman na primary school teacher but he dey drive and the husband wey dey abroad he no dey bring one couple abeg who get that Toto area guest I say who get that Toto when daddy don't sponsor marriage who get that Toto that's why Uji Mr. Uji for Germany that's why you no fit make am for abroad as you try reach that's why you no fit make am today the man go fit send €100 go out till December time no fit send money again today go dey here tomorrow go go here next tomorrow go go here paper die for here you no know wetin dey worry am because na shift wey him wife dey follow na him do marriage for them and since wey the guy travel till today the woman still dey as the woman never come make we play the audio again my people mona see woman wey dey talk to me how our followers how una face shameless adulterous women na una be wetin una be una come fair rush na come dey put am on another person until today trailer wey carry Monica secret e no fit load no fit land mele you are a total disgrace please help me to destroy her destiny and you away from the pit of hell destroy her since when I see you paper destruction ebo amugbe platform no grow yaga e no get topic again e don craze finish e dey confirm daytime na e come dey confirm I do this I'm this e don fit tie teddy bear throat I come say wa don kaka ona gele so don kaka yara we teddy bear cause teddy bear ni me fear we na ya kin we anya mo no ma je pants
Baby, Chelsea, o sei aqui, moela, tá vendo? Eu mal vinha ali o que é, eu venho aí ali o coro. E Chelsea o matando, eu venho já po, o mano pelo mal, o ano está ganhando o roubo, né? E a mãe me lolo chá, e saiu e caiu, acabou de aninhar me vendo. O não é que do time, nem que e me go e lolo me mave e Chelsea vê de bem, e Chelsea o sei aqui. E pega que esperou o Chelsea stage. E lolo na wa se va. E não tá no mana guaio vegani. E je ve olha ele pega me nué. Me wa e pe we Chelsea matoge. E Chelsea matoge o se va bo wakpa. Na wa o me we pona sha. Onebe o vie to na ve wo vie to e no mai e lolo yati. E wa ti awe pe very oni. Na show and you pani at my sister
una yera she dey do two friend Chelsea tell this one say na Ben dey do am but Chelsea no tell am say me too I dey do inside make it for quick the audio of Monica audio is loading. Monica audio is loading. 8 months. There be 419 419. If you nyagbe, emi ni ekinye we nyakin. Ida boski. Ida po. How you tell the talker? E dagbe shit. odegbe shit. Ida odegbe shit na ide be. Manika abia is loading. Is loading. Abeg, how many gigabytes you want? Make we quick buy am for you. Make it quick load. It too dey take. Why must it tell wa gbele kwa gbele gbele? De Saturday ni ke ya gbele ya fu. Imani de Saturday mama egui si a egbegbe wa. Egbegbe wa. Weke waki emi no sunu. Uore no sendi. Ge boyfriend. All la diamba. The person, I don't tell you, no amount smelly fish group can give you that we will not double. Okay? If you are ready for negotiation, say it's money you want to use to bring it out, you need money, name your price. There is no more, any money they can offer you there. I promise double from my side. But make sure you have it and bring it. And naked that to bring her beside time. People see how she was wayward. She was loose guy. At a time, I have to tell us, Oseme, he? Eri ashawogi se. Eri ashawogi se. Ashawogi bera nuwe jena. Ate wewe pion pion. Ate wewe va pion pion. Ate wewe kota pion pion. O garçon pion. Eri ashawogi se. Ashawogi. Some ashawogi se. They work, they know they see 4 people carry. You they see 4 to 6 different country call. I wish that boy where they talk when you say you be footballer, I wish you can call. I wish you can call. God will bless you. I wish you can call. God will bless you. The boy they talk the boy can't say in a footballer. In short, yet it. I wish that boy you feel. I wish I still get my old Facebook. I forgot bring message come. When that one no come give her money, it come throw away that one. That one come send me audio say why she they do like that? Money is not everything. She promise and I for bring her come. He just block me like that. Why? Now so he still take block this thing. Promise and that one they promise. He go fair they show the toto. Then he imagine only. Yete a nego ye magiri gore obe block on your move obe block on your way. Una know one small boy that time for Instagram. He get one small boy when no sabi speak English where he go say I block you come back again. I block you. Do you know she later start friendly that boy? As small as that boy that time. She just pull her in with that one go talk back. Only entity. Mr. Laribe, all those one, you go be like saying a story. I don't want to story like them. Audio they come. Audio the enemy is coming. Audio the enemy is coming. Audio the enemy is coming. Ama loke. Why ya di mota gbon wa do ya offload there ma ho wa. Rubbish. They shut it there. When you call the adultery, adultery go kill your head. See you. Because husband not get cassava or see you. Be more na listen.
We are you can be when you are you kuro. It just your matan no emo ijapo o ma no gbelo wa na sa geni oro opone. E ya mo me we lolo sha me sha you ka ya ka mutiani ye me ne. Unu ya kedo timi ni ke e me go we. E lolo me ma we e chesi ve te be chesi o se ya hi. E bega che spero which is so stage. E lolo na wa was eva. He no one done mana kwa yo vegani. He je me o ye bega me me wa ye be we chesi matoge. E chesi matoge o seva bo wakpa. Na wa o me we bona sha. Onebe o ye do na be wo ye do e no ma e lolo yet. Ye wa ti awe gbe very oni.
Una yera me I play am again.
We are you can be when you are kuro. It's just your matan no emo ijapo o no gbelo wa na sa geni oro opone. E am we e lolo sha me sha you ka ya ka mutiani ye me ne. Unu ya kedo temi ni ke e me go we. E lolo me ma we e chesi ve te be chesi o se ya hi. e bega ke spero we cheso stage elolo na wa wo seva he no wonder no mana gwa yo regeni he je me o le ri bega me mu me wa ege be we chesi matoge o seva bo wakpa na wa o e me we bo na sha onebe obi edo na be wo bi edo we no ima elolo yet ye wa ti awe pe very oni na sha o
Una yera Ben, Mr. Laribe, Ben that used to call you Papa, Papa the Papa. They will be Papa the Papa you. They are the one helping your wife. Anyway, maybe the man, maybe no manage for a cassava, not really get hope. What he go do? You come marry wife put for us. You not really get cassava. When you take the marshal, he go come get a CB. Eh? You say why I not talk? Not the wife. He husband cassava. I know they see him for Instagram when he go they bring all the vitamin, giving vitamin D, vitamin D, vitamin B, vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin 5. Now they give you come cook plantain joiner. As he still do all those one rich, Ben go come. All of them go come. On Saturday, the whole audio of your husbands, all of them will come play and will come know who they lie for smiling and suffering husbands, smiling and suffering marriage. Because in a marriage, we're really happy well. Your husband go there happy with you, with the situation, with your lifestyle, everything. He go say, at least. Una go come hear man, na me una no come hear whether na this one na man. This one na man wey dey happy with my marriage is this, my marriage is that. Like he say my husband dey send money to her wobble. December time for year, not be long time o. 500 euro wey woman, people like una go fit come out for inside una wallet. The man say I don't have that kind of money. I don't have that kind of money.